Good day to you all. Today we are going to create a letterhead in this short video. So let's start it now. The first one that you need to do, you just go to just layout. If you are using Office or Microsoft Office 19 to above 13, 16, and 19. And if you are using Microsoft Office 7 and 10, you'll see the menu bars. You'll see page layout here. You will never see this draw, design, and layout. You just see page layout. So go to page layout. If you go to page layout, go to the size, just select A4. You see A4, select A4. So the size of paper we just customize to A4. So the first thing you need to do is to go to shapes or insert. Go to insert. If you go to insert, go to shapes and select text box. So if you select text box, there are your text box like this. So insert your text box. Now you can write your name of your company or name of your organization or name of whoever you want to create a letterhead for him. Just write his name here. Let's say use my use our company letterhead. Let's use this one. Let's see. Uh, so I think so. Let's use this one. Address, then address. Write your address as it is. Sorry, so the next thing is email address. You can write email like this. Say email. So let's say at gmail.com. So first put comma and say enter. If you have to email, you can write it here. Let's say 201 at gmail.com. So that is. So the next thing is phone number. You can write it phone number like this. Let's say phone number. So let's say first 2349032639668, comma, and say plus 23490645327. So this is our phone number. So the next thing you need to do is to highlight the entire text by pressing Ctrl A. Highlight it and press Ctrl E by moving to center. So this is how we did it now. So we can move the our text box like this, and we can increase the size of our text box. So the next thing we need to do is to highlight the entire text and go to home, select the font style and move it to Times New Roman. So if we move it to Times New Roman, we change the font style. We change our font style to Times New Roman. So highlight the first or name of your company and increase the size of it. So maybe like this one, and increase this. So this one, and bold it as you want it. So after this, you need to highlight all the entire text and go to this line spacing. Just press click on remove space, remove line spacing. So that is how we create our headings of our letterhead. So the next thing we need to do is to this one, we need to change this one to be italic by pressing I. So and bold it. So this is our email and this is our phone number. So the next thing we need to do is to change the we need to change the color of these things, our heading. So highlight it as we did first, highlight it and change the color of it, let's see, golden, as we did. So the next thing is to remove the remove the uh, this line. How can we remove this line? Just go to shape outline, just click on format and go to shape outlines. So click on no outlines, so the line will disappear. So the next thing we need to do is to insert our another text box. We need to insert our another text box. So just write let's see, our ref. So you need to open it like this. Now just write our ref, then use underscore or dot ref, then your ref, use another underscore to create a, then date. So this is okay. So increase the size of it, and now we already selected because we are increasing the line of it. Let's see. So go to this font style and choose any size you want. Let's use height or text. So and let's increase the size of these things. Okay, I think now it's okay. Select these things and move it to bold. So and even this one, go to format and remove the shape outlines by clicking this, because we already removed it for the first text box that we import. So the next thing we need to put our data line, this one, draw it like this. Sorry. So rearrange it by putting 0 here. If you want it to be straightforward, just put 0 here and press enter. So our line now is in straightforward. Sorry, look at it now, it's changed to 0.03. So we can reset. So now it is in straightforward line. So increase the width of this line like this one. So change the color of it, maybe this one. So double click it by pressing Ctrl D. So it will double click. So now we can arrange it like this. So change the color of it to be black. So I think this is okay. Let me change it now and move it to off like this. So I think this one is okay for now. So the next thing we need to do is to create our footer by using this one. Let's use this one. So use these things, maybe use this black, I think it's okay, and outlines use black also. So let's insert another one and move it to golden color, change it to golden color. So go to this shape fill and change it to shape fill, all of it. So this is our header look like, and let's insert our logo by go to insert, go to picture, and yes, it will this one will appear. Go to the export, I save my this, enter this. So let me scroll down to see my logo. This is my logo. So I already put it. So the next thing, if I want to resize my picture, I can go to this crop to resize it by cropping it like this, and this one, and this one. You can resize it by using these things. So when you are ready, click on crop again, it will crop. So I have told you that if you want to move or the change the location of this things or this logo that we just import, just go to wrap text and move it to in front of text, so it will appear, and we can change it, we can resize it, and we can move it anywhere we want. So now uh, let's put it like this. So perfect move. So the next thing we need to do is to create our footer. We create our header, so the next thing we need to create our footer. So if we want to create our footer, just insert these things like this one. So if you want to change it, to copy it, go to this one, click on this one. Let's see, we want it to be like this. Sorry, this one is not perfect. So we want it to be like this, maybe. And this thing, we want it to be like this. So if we are done, just drag it down and resize it, and drag it again, resize these things. So now it's okay. Maybe let's use this thing. So let me move it to, let's see, black is okay. So let's change these things to be white. Let's to be these things. So let's increase the white of these things. So now we create it. So we want to hide these things. So this is what we just create by using this. So let me move these things to be like this, because of it go down. So this is the easiest way we can move our content off like this. So, and even these things, let me move our logo. So select this thing again, move it like this. Sorry, let move our logo off. Short. Sorry, like this one. So what is this? So let's say these things, move it like this, and these things, move it like this. So if we need a watermark, just go to layout again. Sorry, go to design, and even this one, if you want, if you are using Microsoft Office 7 and 10, just go to page layout. So go to watermark, select your watermark by choosing this custom watermark, and select on feature, click on feature, then don't select the feature. So we already know the location of the feature, go and find it. So let's use this one, and click insert, and just press F9 and just close these things. So our watermark logo will appear. So let us preview of what we just did. So this is what we create in our things. So that is this is how we are going. How are we going to create a letterhead by using this? So I want all of you to create a different letterhead. So if you want to, if you are using this and somebody create this, you just know the first way or one way of creating just a single letterhead. So I want you to create a various letterhead, like this one. So let us create another one by pressing Ctrl N. So we finish that things, we want to create another one. So the first thing here we want to do, just select our, let's use this shape. So let's use this shape. So click on these things and crop it. So like this, and this thing to be like this. So here is okay for me. So let me resize this thing again. Sorry, I just want to resize it. So here is okay. Just put it as you want. So that is. So after you use this, change the color of it, like this one, and maybe this one is okay. So this one is okay. So the next thing we need to do is how to put our distance under this letterhead. So let's use this one to duplicate it by using Ctrl D. I duplicate it. So let's use this one. So change the color of this one to be golden, and change the color of this one to be golden again. So change the color of this one to be black. Already it is on black, and change this one to be black again. So this is. So let us import our logo and something like. So let's import what we call it, text box. Let's see. Yes, as our address. Sorry, post floor, ABB Plaza, bypass Busau, sorry, Busau, Zamfara State. Then our email be like this: Shamaki Global Tech at gmail.com. So our other email is sdt01 at gmail.com. So that is. So the next thing, yes, okay, we don't need a phone number in this time of these things. So just highlight it and change the font color to be white. Let's change it to be white. I think so. Let's change it to be this green, this golden, and move it. So go here and change the shape fill to no fill. Yes, we change it to no fill, and change the distance to be Times New Roman, like this one. So let's change this to be, let's increase the size of distance. Yes, so let's change it to be distance. Let me reduce the size. So the next thing we need is to bold these things as we did on the previous letterhead. So remove the font line spacing, remove it like this one. So move it to center as we say before. So let's change these things to be white. This email, just everything here must be white. Change to white. Except this email that we put here, change it to golden. So let me reduce it. So let me put comma here because we didn't put comma here. So this is our heading. So let's import our logo. now we have different logo. Let's use this one. So let's change to wrap text. Sorry, let's reduce the size of these things. Okay, as you are seeing, sorry, today I'm not using mouse, so let's put it here. So let's change it to be which color? To be normal black. So that is, sorry. So let's remove the background page or background things that for this picture. So let's mark this one and remove the area that I want it to be a page. I just need this one. So click on keep change. So this is the area that I want it to be a page. So this is our logo. And the next thing, we need to remove this line by you go to here, shape outline and no outline. So we need another, what do you call it, we need another things, so yes, okay, we need another these things, text box to write our phone numbers. So let's say phone number like this. So press enter, write your phone number +349032639668, and let's use it like this. Another +2349064532748. So this is our phone number. So let's change these things to be golden and the others one to be white. Change it to white. So let's change this field to be no field. So like this one, and change these things to be Times New Roman or whatever, any terms of character you want. So let's change these things to be remove space. So let's move it to here like this. So let's bold it as you are seeing. This is our phone number. Did you see it? So the next thing we need to do is to create or design our footer. How can we design our footer? By using this, we can use these things like this one to see. Maybe this one is okay. Maybe we can change it to another. Let's see this one to be improved. This one. So let's resize it. This one, let's change it to black, and this one, change it to black again. So let's change this one to be golden, and shape outline to be golden again. So let's resize it. So this is the another letterhead that we just created on these things. So I think this text is so high. I forgot that it didn't change this size to be A4. Sorry, that is why. So now our letterhead is ready, and we can do whatever we want with this letterhead. So let me create another footer for those that they want to create different size. So this the next thing, I just want to create a footer, just a footer, header and footer. So by pressing Ctrl N, let's say select this, where is our shapes, uh, where it is. Let's create a wonderful footer like this one. Let's create this, sorry, so like this one. This one is okay, I think. So let's change it to be black. So let's increase the width to be like this one. So and let's reduce the size of this one and the size of this one. So let's change the color of this one to be white like this one. So let's insert these things here and increase it like this. So change it to these things and these things to be these things. So let's send it backward. Send it backward like this one. So import another one like this one. Put it here. So I change it to, sorry, yes, let's change it to these things and change this to these things. So send it back. So this one supposed to be black again like this, and this one's supposed to be black. So we just create this. Let us copy our these things and move it here. Our logo and our address. Sorry, I'm just click on this email because of it's working. So okay, click on these things, this, this. So copy and we'll go to here, paste it here. So arrange it like this. We just create this. Let's copy these things again and paste it. Our phone number. So this is our phone number. So the next thing we need to do is to create our footer. We create our header now. Let's select this one. Maybe to be like this. Okay. So change it to black as we did, and change this one to, let's say, black. Let it be black. Check draw this one. Retort it to be like this. So put it here. So let's change it to be these things. This one and this to be this one. Sorry, this to be like this and color to be white. So this is our footer and this is our header. So the next thing we need to do is to import our ref, your ref, you know, whatever you want to put in our letterhead. So this is the last or last letterhead I just do in this one video. We create 3 letterhead. You can import a watermark and you can import our ref, your ref and date. You can do whatever you want by using these things. So this is end our video. Good day. We can call it a day.